Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. This presentation covers the DTC B121A, also known as DTC Indicator 49, which indicates an open in the mode control motor circuit on the Honda Civic models from 2011 to 2015. This specific error highlights an issue with the mode control motor, which plays a critical role in regulating airflow direction in the vehicle's climate control system. It is responsible for directing air to the different vents throughout the cabin, ensuring passenger comfort regardless of the weather outside. The mode control motor is typically located within the dashboard area, connected to the climate control unit. This fault can occur due to various reasons, including wiring issues or a malfunctioning motor itself. The following slides will provide a detailed breakdown of potential causes, symptoms associated with this error, and a comprehensive troubleshooting guide to effectively resolve the issue. The DTC B121A indicates a problem with the mode control motor circuit, specifically an open circuit. The mode control motor is a vital component of the vehicle's climate control system, responsible for adjusting the direction of airflow to various vents such as the face or foot vents. It operates based on inputs from the climate control unit, allowing drivers to customize their comfort level within the cabin. If the motor is unable to receive signals due to an open circuit, it can cause improper air direction, leading to discomfort. The motor itself is generally located behind the dashboard, making it a less accessible part for service. Hence the need for precise diagnosis to locate the issue. This error can stem from various electrical failures that inhibit normal operation. Several factors can lead to the error code DTC B121A. One of the primary concerns is wiring issues, where the condition of the wires connecting the climate control unit to the mode control motor may have deteriorated, creating a break or an open circuit. Another possible cause could be poor or loose connections within this circuit, which may prevent proper electrical signals from reaching the motor. Additionally, the mode control motor itself could be malfunctioning or defective, resulting in it failing to perform its essential duties. Each of these causes must be investigated to accurately diagnose and rectify the underlying problem. Identifying whether the issue is related to wiring, connections, or the motor is crucial to restoring normal function. When DTC B121A is present, various symptoms may manifest, indicating issues with the climate control system. One common symptom includes inconsistent airflow, where drivers notice that air doesn't come out of the intended vents. For instance, when setting the airflow to direct air to the face, it may unexpectedly shift to the foot area. Another symptom might be that the air fails to be directed properly, depending on the selected settings on the climate control unit, leading to discomfort. Additionally, the entire climate control system may exhibit malfunctioning behavior, with some features not operating at all. These symptoms are crucial indicators of an underlying issue within the mode control motor circuit and help guide the troubleshooting process. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC B121A is to clear any existing diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This tool is essential for accessing and managing various fault codes in the vehicle's onboard diagnostics. After clearing the DTCs, the next procedure involves turning the ignition switch to the lock position and back to on. This sequence resets the climate control module, preparing it for a self-diagnostic check. After resetting, conduct a self-diagnostic with the HDS or the climate control unit to check for any DTCs emerging after the reset. If DTC B121A or 49 is indicated, this confirms an ongoing issue that necessitates further investigation. If it's not shown, it may denote an intermittent failure, prompting checks for loose wiring or poor connections. In this step, focus is directed toward additional checks for other DTCs that may provide more insight into the underlying problem. Specifically, you'll want to inspect for DTC B1233 or B2986. The presence of these codes suggests there might be an open circuit in the wiring between the climate control unit and the mode control motor. This means there may be a break in the electrical pathway, crucial for the proper operation of the mode control motor. If any of these codes are indicated, repairs will be necessary to address the identified open circuit, thereby restoring functionality and eliminating the DTC B121A. Conversely, if there are no additional DTCs, you'll proceed to the next troubleshooting step. The third troubleshooting step involves checking for open wires, specifically in the mode P line. Begin by turning the ignition switch to the lock position, ensuring that the vehicle is off before making electrical connections. Next, a jumper wire is used to connect terminal A from the mode control motor 7P connector, position number 2 for 4-door or number 5 for 2-door, to the body ground at terminal B. This simulates a closed circuit, allowing you to test whether the mode control motor is receiving the proper signals. Once the connections are made, turn the ignition switch back to on, 2, and perform a self-diagnostic check with the HDS or the climate control system. If DTC B121A is still indicated, it suggests that an open exists between the climate control unit and the mode control motor, requiring repair of the wire connection. If not, the issue may lie with the mode control motor itself, and replacement might be necessary. After performing the necessary repairs based on previous troubleshooting, it is critical to conduct a final verification process. This includes running another diagnostic check with the HDS to confirm that DTC B121A no longer appears. Ensuring proper functioning of the mode control motor is vital, as it directly correlates to the air distribution system's efficiency. Once repairs are made, reset the DTCs again and perform a comprehensive test of the climate control system to verify normal operation. Monitor the performance for any irregularities or reappearance of the code. Successful verification means that the system is now free from issues related to DTC B121A. This step solidifies the resolution of the problem and ensures passenger comfort is restored. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B121A, engaging in regular preventive maintenance is essential. One effective strategy is conducting visual inspections of the wiring and connections related to the mode control motor and climate control unit. This helps identify any wear or signs of fraying that could lead to electrical failures down the road. Additionally, make it a habit to check for loose connections during routine maintenance, especially when working on related components. Maintaining the condition of the wiring ensures minimal disruptions in the electrical pathways crucial for effective operation. Such preventive measures can significantly extend the lifespan of the components involved and enhance the overall reliability of the vehicle's climate control system. In conclusion, DTC B121A signifies an open in the mode control motor circuit, often resulting from wiring issues, faulty connections, or a defective motor. Understanding the critical role of the mode control motor in regulating airflow is fundamental to grasping the impact of this code. By following a systematic troubleshooting guide, you can effectively diagnose and resolve the problem, ensuring the climate control system operates flawlessly. Regular maintenance and inspections play a key role in preventing future issues, maintaining both system efficiency and passenger comfort. Through a detailed approach to diagnostics and repair, you can restore the functionality of the climate control system and enjoy a comfortable driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.